this way would be going to
Asda, works.
And the works.
School, yeah.
I will follow you wherever you may run over the hills. Yes, that was a good song in this day. Everybody going through? Yeah, everybody's going through. Can you fault that light, can ya? Don't go that way, mate. For the sake of the buses, they gotta go that way.
It must be awful stressful, my Rob. And just know you're going to be stuck in it before you know that.
Every day.
Yeah.
Every day for 40 years, there's a traffic jam there. It's never changed. I'm a firm believer. The bigger the roundabout, the more problems it creates, because the faster the other cars are going around the bastard thing.
Yeah.
So, you know, they won't let you out because they're doing fucking 60 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Well, a little roundabout, you can sneak out. Plus, of course, the nobody gives a fuck no more. Come on, bus.
No.
This bus is going to thank me because he thinks I'm fucking great.
A lady driver, see?
Well, she must have thought, well, how would he know to park all the way up there? He must be fucking great. He must be a great person from a great family. Well, I don't know about that. My family fell apart a fucking long time ago. There he goes.
Right. And pick your family, love.
Well, I always used to like envy the close families, you know?
Yeah.
The real close families. But it would be nice to have Greek brothers and
Yeah.
but that now is definitely an impossibility.
Oh, he's gonna pull out, Rob.
No, he's not. It's hard to know what angle his mirror wasn't fucking 100%. Had the car behind me come past as well. Ooh, catch me.
It is a bit, isn't it?
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh dear. I like the haircut though. So far, so good. No traffic whatsoever. Over the hills and far away. Don't know whether to sneak up on the motorway and come off at Doodley and then drop you down into the Doodley land. I can do anything I want, can I?
You can.
Because that's the way the world is. I'm sat behind the steering wheel and you're not. Because you can't drive.
Which is a bloody good job for everybody.
Doors just locked. Oh, that's what it's for. I can lock the doors. Or I can open the doors. A Porsche 911
Carraras.
Carrera S. Is it any faster than this? No, it's fucking not.
Not in the traffic, it's not.
At least I can stretch my fucking legs, mate.
Do you like a sweet?
There's a woman offering me a sweetie.
Have you been a good little boy? Like Murray Mint or Werther?
That's a goldy one. I like them. Like butterscotch, you'd think, innit? Mmm. Thank you, Mrs. Nurden.
Bowie. Bowsy. Bowsy.
Bowie. Must be a Bowie fan. company registration. But I suppose if you can afford that car, you can afford that fucking private reg. And oh look, he's in front of us. There's no stopping him now. You're lucky 60 mile an hour on the motorway anyway, so.
Yeah. I bet he's not doing 60 and up also.
No. Well, yes. That fast lane is slow as well. Coming out, you bastards. No, Laurie said, come on out, mate. I'll give him a double flashy. That's the sort of man I am.
That's all it takes, isn't it?
Bit of courtesy.
Yeah.
Well, you find more courtesy on the motorway than you do actually on the normal roads.
Yeah.
People will let you in, or sometimes let you out. You still get the lane hoggers, which does annoy people, you know, you're in the fast lane doing fucking 40 mile an hour. Fucking lorry like this doing 180.
See the
We'll have to hit his brakes now.
See the one that let you out?
No, he's behind me. He's got his indicator on to come around me, but you know, there's cars in front, there's cars behind. But we can't do fuck all. Let these out. Come on, son, get in there. Put your hand up. No, don't give a fuck. Okay. Still a lot of guesswork in driving.
Yeah.
You just don't know what he's going to do out there. Like, you know, he's going to cut in. I don't think he is. He's going to stay out there now. But
especially like with all those new road layouts, because you know it's going to be confusing.
Yeah.
You can call them all the effing idiots you want, but for some people they're going to think, what the hell am I supposed to be doing?
yeah. Oh right, it could be a foreigner. You know.
Yeah.
Somebody with a map in his lap.
Porsche.
Oh look, he's 2 cars ahead. Fucking hell, they had a long time red for a fucking motorway roundabout.
So they're
Green
stopping
banana,
over
right,
there,
okay.
so you go in.
I'm going in as well. Hopefully this traffic is flowing pretty good down this end. I swear I wanted to go across the top. Very rare you get traffic on top of Stowley. Oh, shook an end out for the bus. I thought Louis might have been in contact as well, you know, because about Sebby. They did work together. Alex as well, actually. So of course, if you heard about it, I should think they have the fucking internet out.
Oh, you've been stuff said on the internet, sir?
Well, everybody knows, so. Everybody's sending best wishes. Prayers and all sorts.
I know in my shower sound about the boys next door.
Yeah.
Send something out to all the mosques.
Let's roll it straight on. Oh look, there's a Porsche. I've just burnt off a Porsche at 24 miles an hour.
He was a bird, wasn't he?
Yeah, he was giving me a bit of muscle. Going to Queen's Hill, I'm going up over there. Oh fuck. You can't go over there, look. We'll go this way then. What end of town is it? End of town?
Any, wherever you can drop
What
me.
about down the, you know, stop there, man, road there. Brakes on.
I don't know where you're on about.
The Pakistani bridge. Khyber Pass. The new bridge.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You can walk straight up over to Doodler.
Yeah. Which way will you go then? Otherwise you could drop me up here, like by the train station, and I could walk
No,
down.
that would be downwards.
Yeah.
Because that way I'm aiming in the right direction as I would be if I was dropping you in where I usually drop you.
Okay.
You know, I could drop you where I usually drop you. Fuck difference to me. We're moving, that's all I can tell you. And I can burn this fucking bus off without a doubt.
I don't understand why he got his indicator on like he's coming up. Oh, no.
This way. It's going where I wanted to go. Whoa!
Oh.
What is she doing, love?
I don't know.
Who's that?
The trees are expensive.
I just met those phones in, not who is this? They're all fucking saying these days, isn't they? Do you want to buy yours?
Yeah, it's fine. It'd be easier for you to pull in by here anyway.
I can pull in any fucking anyone, I'm a fucking taxi.
Thank you, love.
No problem.
I will see you later.
I'll see you later on tonight-ish. Today afternoon, maybe. Might be home before you.
No, love, thanks.
And away to go. I'll show you that way. You might see something you want to see. Like the stupid bridge we got here. Yeah, have a look at this bridge. What do you think of that? Fucking great, innit? Fucking great.